Behind the design, sulcus length cover. This client needed a custom orthotic to fit a range of casual footwear with different shapes and styles. The cover was to go on a shank-independent orthotic shell material for footwear both with and without a removable insole. The patient also required protection under the metatarsal heads. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the patient's choice of footwear, allowing transfer between multiple pairs and protecting the PMA. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected the sulcus length in the top cover section of the finishing section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. A sulcus length cover covers the orthotic to the sulcus length of the foot. It extends from the anterior edge of a 3/4 length shell under the metatarsal heads. It is generally used for shoes both with or without a full-length removable insole. It protects the plantar foot, including the PMA area, to the sulcus. It also protects forefoot modifications, including domes, met bars, and various forefoot extensions. It will replace part of the shoe insole space. It can be placed on top of a flat insole or replace an insole, and takes up a reduced space in the shoe. Orthotip. Orthotic length or orthotic cover length is a key prescription variable in orthotic design. The successful choice will allow the patient to wear the device in their favourite footwear, increasing the likelihood of patient compliance. A sulcus length cover versus a shell length cover has the benefits of protecting the PMA area and allowing forefoot additions including metatarsal domes, metatarsal bars, EVA and Poron forefoot extensions, forefoot varus extensions, forefoot valgus extensions, reverse mortons extensions, short mortons extensions, etc. to be protected.